Hello everyone, my name is Dima, and in this video I want to talk with you about how we can create WhatsApp bot with amoCRM integration. And firstly, you should create your account if you haven't got it yet. Go to the registration list, write down your name, email, phone number with WhatsApp connecting. You can generate or create your own password as you wish. Confirm password. If you have any promo code, you can write down here and check these boxes. But now I have already created my account. Right, we should create a new project. You should press this button with a plus sign. Write the project name here. Test Project 1. And you can enter your last name there. In my case, it's Ivanov. Pick your integration, amoCRM, and press the Continue button. At the step 2, you should write the phone number where WhatsApp bot will be authorized, without any signs and brackets. Now you should pick a time zone. And then we're going to step 3. At the third step, you should go to the amoCRM account and make some manipulation to add our widget. So I have already logged in the amoCRM account, and now I want to find our widget here. Here it is. And now pick this button. And now it's time to copy our integration key. And you can find it right there on step 3. Right, our widget was successfully installed and it will appear right there. But in our case, it won't happen because I have some trial count in the amoCRM. After that, we should change some settings in the left side menu. We should open leads and then open setup. So you should turn on the duplicate control here. Right, let's continue. The final step is QR code scanning. Open your WhatsApp on your phone, go to the settings and open WhatsApp web. And now it is so important to turn off other session on your devices, if you have them of course. And then if you have any troubles with code scanning, you can push this button and the new QR code will generate again. So your amoCRM integration was completed successfully. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.